Yusuf, I don't know what to do.
We can play with some Play-Doh.
But we don't have any Play-Doh.
We can make some.
But how?
Don't worry, you'll see. So Alia, all we need is cooking oil, salt, bowl of water, flour, and some food colouring to make it very interesting.
Cool.
First, we need to put the food colouring into the bowl.
Can we use pink first?
Yes. That's it. Now let's mix it. Do you want to mix?
Yeah? Maybe you can mix. I want to do the flour.
So now we need half cup of flour.
There's this half cup here in here too.
Yeah, so
And then
dig it up.
okay, I got it.
Okay, pour it into the bowl.
This is good.
Let's mix it now. What will it become now?
think it's
Mix.
It's what?
Whoa, it looks gooey like slime.
No, it looks like Play-Doh.
No, it's not Play-Doh. Yeah, it's slime for now. Oh,
Don't keep mixing.
yeah, we need to keep it until no flour's in sight. Okay.
Look.
Now we need 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix time again. Mix. Now we need 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix time again. Mix. It came up a bit gooey, so I think we need some more flour. Maybe a little more. No, perfect. Mix.
I still don't like it. It's still gooey.
Yeah.
Let's get some. I think we need one more. I think we need one more.
Okay. Alia, can you give me a bit of flour on the table so I can do squidging it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
I also want to squeeze.
I'll just grab this big mixture. Squidgy. Squidge. Yeah, it's not.
Look at my hands.
Oh my god.
What happened to?
That's squidgy. Like I'm a new person. I want some more flour.
I didn't get it out of me. I'm stuck in trap.
Yeah.
Oh, this is
You
gooey.
need to spread it like in this, and then it will actually change.
Get this off me. I'm like a monster. I have to get this off me.
Spread it. It's getting real now, like a Play-Doh. Ah.
It looks so pretty. Can I get other colors now?
Yeah. What color next?
Blue.
Okay, blue. Okay.
There, look at this. Look at Slappy.
Okay. Should we do blue now?
Yeah. Look, it looks so
Alia,
sticky.
Alia,
Like it and looks. I can make a castle with it.
Just
and
and
make
just squid into a ball.
I like the pink.
Okay, this time blue.
I made a little igloo. I have lots of parts in this one.
I'll just put this one inside, and the next color is black. Okay, it's black. Lily, look, black Play-Doh.
Mushy and dusty.
This is my ice cream.
But this,
I'm a little ice cream.
look,
I am broken chicken.
Uh-oh.
Boom, boom. What's this? Okay. Blob, blob.
Let's mix them all together.
Awesome.
So guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Like button, boom.